Hi everyone. This is going to be part two. So we're going to be looking at the railings and all of the railing options here we can do in the RedX Decks app. So once you've got your structure built out and your deck boards installed, we can go to the deck tools, and you can either add all railings automatically, or you can add manually select the locations if you only needed specific railings at locations. Once we've added all our railings, then we can open up the different design options. So I guess to start, we have different categories. We have either wood railings, you can select generic aluminum, or we have the Fiberon Cityside option and the Fiberon Countryside option. So I guess we'll stick with wood for now. So once you've selected the wood category, under the infill styles, you'll see either the wood. Let me just get a closer look. Let me zoom in here. So we'll have the wood balusters option, or you can have the round metal, the square metal. You can have a glass option, the hog wire style, and a cable option. So I'm just gonna stick with the round metal there for now. Those are looking good. For the post connection, so there are three options. You can have the top of deck connection. You can have it so it goes through the deck. So if you have a look under the deck here, you'll see how the posts are coming down through the deck now. And then you have the rim joist connection. So if you wanted to connect it to the end of the rim joist, so that's how that would look. We can keep it at the top of the deck for now. And then for the top rail styles, so you can have the post end under the railing, or you can have it extend up, and then you can have it extend up with some post caps if you want to see those. For the handrail style, you can choose from a single flat 2x6, flat 2x4, 2x6 and 2x4, or 2x4 and 2x4, or just a 2x4 on edge. So it kind of really gives you lots of customization to see exactly how you want it to have it set up. And then there's the rail height, so you need a 42 inch, and then the post size, so if you wanted a 6x6 or a 4x4. And you'll notice how it's updating all in real time right away, so you can have a feel for it. For the post spacing, so if we want to maybe do an 8-foot spacing, so it's gonna automatically center those posts based off of that post spacing. So say you had a 4 feet spacing, it's gonna find that average and divide it, so it's recentering all those posts on that rail. So you can do an 8 feet for now. You'll have to look at your local code requirements and see what the maximum allowable span between posts are for your area. The post offset from the deck edge is just right here. So if you look at this post, we have about 1.5 inches from the deck board. So if you wanted to move that, that's how you would do that. You would just edit that, say if you needed a 2 inches or so. That's what that would look like. For aluminum railings, you'll have the same options for glass, metal balusters, and then you can choose from a few different color options. For Fiberon Cityside, there is the traditional top rail style, or there is the contemporary, and then with this rail style, it supports a glass, so you would have that option there. And the two different supported heights, 36, and then we have the same offset from the deck edge. Fiberon Countryside, you have the composite balusters or the round metal, and then these are the different post cap styles, and then you have the color options. So once you've got your design done, if you had to move a specific rail, you can grab one of these, and if you kind of see how that updates automatically there. You can also select this individual rail and hit view PDF, and you'll see how it shows up a PDF with the rails and the post spacing and all the details attached to that. And if you hit the option, it's going to bring you back up to the options here. And then under the reports, you'll see we have a railings report where we have our order list, how many end posts, how many corner posts, mid posts, and how many rail kits you're going to need for this. So we need 9 6-foot rail kits for this. So you'll see with your order list, you can export it also, and then you'll see if you had the wood option, it's going to show you the whole order list updates right away. And then now we have a 2x4 by 12 feet and 2x6 by 12 feet. So these are all the materials you're going to need for your order for your deck. And then posts, so we got 10 posts total, 2 ends, 2 corners, and 6 mid posts. And 99 2x2 by 31 inch balusters. So that's a pretty good general overview of the railings and the capabilities. We looked at moving them, we can delete them. If you had stairs, that's what that would look like. We can just hit add all railings, it's gonna add them all like that. If you had to delete this specific rail, just delete it, and then there's the undo button. Okay, thanks for watching. You can try it out for yourself. You should be able to do all this at the redxapps.com or on the RedX Decks app. Thank you.